Hi everyone, welcome to Text Byte by Couple. In this video, we will learn how to populate dates in Excel easily. So let's start. Now, as you can see here, we have mentioned a date which is 1st April 2024 and we wanted to have dates till 30th of April. But instead of writing it manually, let's see how we can do it automatically. So to achieve that, we will firstly keep our cursor or cell, we will select the cell where we have mentioned our date and we will simply click Alt H F I S. So what will happen? This series dialog box will open. We will select column, date, day, step value will be 1 and till when we wanted to have this date. Suppose let's say we wanted to have till 25th. So we will write 04/25/2024 and we'll click on OK. So what will happen? Our date till 25th of April will get mentioned here. That's it for this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.